Welcome. The parish church of St Andrew is situated just off the centre of Cleveleys town on the northwest coast of England. This morning, congregation members of all ages came together to help restore the memorial garden adjacent to the church to its former glory, especially the commemorative stone wall plaque. An energetic but enjoyable time was had by all, although one member was heard to say that Reverend Graham Young was blessing a shop opening the other day, and today he can be seen on his knees blessing the church drains. Please feel very welcome to come along and join everyone at St Andrew's Cleveleys.
Are you creeping up on me, David? I haven't got any under at the moment. To be honest, I would pretend he's got
do with cleaning the house, supplies taken out, and all what get rid of it. So I'll get this teapot and all 10 years ago with the old filter. You know what I mean? Yeah. But over the years you can see where it's dropped down and sunk down a bit.
Yeah.
It's leaning, isn't it?
Yeah, it is leaning.
But you can't go up about that.
No, I left. I went last. I went yesterday.
To get out, you can see where the roots are poking out.
My dad joined the war, used to swim.
It's because the roots were young and they didn't feed him.
That's where the library was. Kids. I need to take one of the Anybody here from the Pioneer Club or not? You're going to go? Yeah, he's going to go look at the officer. Yeah? Oh, yeah. To Sandhurst. Yeah.